It's 11:56 PM New Year's Eve, so we're going down for fireworks on New Year's Eve. It's going to be awesome, guys. So yeah, keep it locked. Is it midnight? No, almost. Now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Do you go see? Shush.
What are you videoing?
Oh, he's making a vlog. Video.
I don't know what that is.
Basically, there's you can. So hello guys. It's 2016, so really excited. 1st of January. Last night was awesome, guys. And I opened the vlog and the fireworks. It was awesome, guys. So today I've got to travel back to the airport and get a train. So yeah, it's really awesome, guys. So that's the door. Then I bet when you open this, there'll be dogs everywhere. Yeah, so yeah, gotta get a dog now. So yeah, we'll see you in a minute. I'm basically stranded in Dunmo, so I don't know what I'm gonna do now. But my dad's picking me up later on, so that's alright. Sorry this is such a short vlog. I really haven't been vlogging much today. Simply because I fell asleep, like. I got up and did the first bit for my vlog. Then I just went back to sleep. I don't know why. Yeah, so we're now going down to the shop to get some food because we are basically starving and get something for our mum. So yeah, and going for dinner. So yeah, guys, it's going awesome. You guys are amazing. So I'm just got in through my door. And I come into my room and my room looks totally different. You know when you have a Christmas tree up like for a good 2 or 3 weeks? You come in and everything looks different. Like it's not in the corner, it looks like something's missing. And the one downstairs is missing as well. Also, do you like my duvet cover? That's my favourite. I got that for Christmas. So, Happy New Year, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't like film much today because just slept most of today actually. And I didn't want to film myself sleep. I couldn't even film myself sleeping because I wouldn't know how to pick up a camera when I'm asleep. So yeah, guys, sorry about that. I'll make sure I do a long vlog tomorrow. And I'm going to start the gym tomorrow. I've started it already, but my main resolution of 2016 is to lose weight and manage my own money and to learn to drive. So I want to learn to drive this year. And lose weight, and at the end of the year have a nice car, lose weight, and I'll look good. And have such good subscribers on YouTube. So yeah, not sure. I've got to unpack everything. And yeah. So thank you for subscribing, and you guys are amazing. Don't forget how amazing you are. And I'll see you